I'm Ernie of Aerotech Herman Nelson, and this video will highlight the features of our flameless heaters, as well as give the viewer the opportunity to see our BT700k 700,000 BTU flameless heater in operation. All our flameless heaters feature a single point connection 120 volt AC preheat package, including coolant heater, oil pan heater, and battery blankets, ensuring the heater is ready for operation in extreme cold conditions. Ducting is attached to the heaters by releasing the 4 lever clamps and removing the outlet cover. Visible in the outlet of the 700K is the exhaust gas heat exchanger, which is one of 3 heat exchangers. The ducting end is placed over the outlet tube and secured in place by locking the 4 clamps. Additionally, the strap on the ducting cuff can also be pulled tight if desired. The BT700K shown and the BT375 have single 16-inch duct connections, while the largest BT1.2M has 2 16-inch outlets. Duct splitters are also available. Aerotech flameless heaters are equipped with an automatic air intake louver system. The tension control for manual operation is released and the manual automatic control can be selected. In manual mode, the louvers can be set as desired, and in the automatic mode, the heater control system adjusts the louvers for maximum efficiency based on the output air temperature required. Opening the heater access door, which holds the main control panel, reveals the single master disconnect switch, which provides full disconnect from the entire electrical system. The switch is placed to the on position prior to heater operation. A view of this area inside the unit reveals one of the batteries, the hydraulic heat generator, the fan drive system, and numerous other components. The main access doors are closed and latched prior to operation to prevent air from being drawn in these areas by the fan. Also visible is the externally mounted full emergency stop button. The control panel access door is open to reach the heater controls and reveals the IC 3D control and display, the key switch, the manual throttle override, light switch, and power point. The key is inserted into the key switch and turned to the run position to energize the display. The display will show various parameters of operation, as well as scroll this information to continually monitor performance. The IC 3D control is fully programmable, as well as can be passcode locked to prevent changes to the programming by unauthorized personnel. The automatic air intake louver actuator will move through a full operational cycle upon placing the key switch to the run position to ensure proper functionality in the automatic mode. As well, the 3-function roof beacon will be red, indicating the unit is not running. The key is turned to the start position to start the engine, and the display will indicate the running parameters, including engine RPM, outlet temperature, and coolant temperature, and will scroll to show oil pressure, engine load, and various other data such as fuel consumption, fuel level, and battery voltage. The display can be configured to show and hold specific information. The engine idle warm-up time and RPM slope are fully programmable to allow proper warm-up before the engine increases to the operating speed of approximately 2400 RPM. For demonstration purposes of this video, this BT700K unit has a relatively short programmed warm-up time. The roof beacon will display green when the heater is operational, and the beacon will become amber when the fuel levels have reached the programmable minimum. The operator can easily monitor at a glance engine performance, as well as check the outlet air temperature and the coolant temperature and all other parameters. The control panel access door must normally remain closed during operation, and the display can be read through the transparent window. Aerotech's flameless heaters produce large volumes of heated air at industry-leading static pressures, which ensures high-volume heated air delivery when using long ducting runs. In many tests, the BT700K outperformed competitors' heaters that claim much higher outputs, and our BT1.2M has one of the highest outputs in the industry. In testing, it delivered 83 degrees Celsius air at 7100 CFM with 50 feet of ducting at an outside temperature of minus 22 degrees Celsius. No other flameless heater on the market can provide the extreme performance and durability of our flameless heater line. Features such as tandem axles, full containment, lower section stone guard, and stainless steel fasteners make them the best value in flameless heat. All the controls are conveniently located under one see-through cover. In addition to the IC 3D control and display, There is a throttle override switch in the event of control loss, allowing manual throttle control of the engine. The intuitive IC3D system has one-touch throttle control, allowing the operator to increase or decrease engine speed with the up and down arrow buttons, and the display will constantly show the engine RPM and other important operating information. Menu-driven programmable features, including the display of all fault codes and setup of auto throttle upon startup, which can be programmed for numerous warm-up times and RPM slopes. The control also allows configuration of the display parameters and display quadrants, as well as beacon function as it relates to minimum fuel levels. Critical settings can be passcode protected to prevent tampering by unauthorized persons. The display can also be changed to display metric or imperial units of measurement. Our flameless heaters are driven with world-leading John Deere diesel engines or Kubota diesel engines, all with Class 1 Division 2 Group D electrics. Maintenance items and filters are all non-proprietary and available everywhere locally. Our heat generation system is the absolute most reliable available, and the fully insulated cabinet ensures every BTU of heat is delivered to the outlet. The attention to detail, features, and quality make the Aerotech Flameless Heater line by Multitech the absolute best value available in flameless heat today.